Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Banking and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to buy Cronos coin on Trust Wallet. So let's get started right away. If you already have your Trust Wallet account set up, then just go ahead and open up the application. You will then be asked to log in using your PIN code or your biometric. You can log in using either of these options and then you will be taken into your dashboard. From this home page, you can simply tap on the buy option and then you can search for Cronos. Once you find Cronos, just go ahead and tap on it and then you will be taken to the buy screen. From the buy screen, you can select your currency from the top right corner and then type in how much you want to spend. You will then be shown how much crypto you will receive in return. Now, since the best exchange is already selected by default, we can simply tap on the next button to proceed with buying our crypto. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to buy Cronos on Trust Wallet. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.